Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here, and welcome to today's video. So it would seem that the video of the day is how to debloat Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 using somebody's scripts. It does make me giggle. The very fact that you would spend your time downloading and installing Windows 10 or 11, then downloading or God forbid paying for a script to de-bloat it. And at some stage in the future, Microsoft force an update on you that resets everything you've just changed back to the defaults. I can't get my head around it. It's beguiling. At the end of the day, whether you're the biggest Windows fanboy in the world or whether you're just a user, you cannot trust Microsoft. They have proven this time and time and time again. And it's only getting worse with the release of 24H2. So what's the solution? What to do? Use fucking Linux Mint. It's free. You won't need to download any scripts to de-bloat it, and you can do everything on it. Yeah, but hang on, Ebeez. I mean, you know, home users aren't running Adobe Suite. Home users aren't running Microsoft Office 365. So how is that even a fucking thing? Right? I'm not even using LibreOffice. I just use AbiWord. Plenty good enough. And it's fully compatible with Microsoft Word. So I don't understand some of these big YouTubers who dole out this advice. Oh, well, you know, if you want to run Windows 11 24H2, download this script, download that script, go to Chris Titus Tech, God forbid, download and run his script. Oh, the wonderful, the brilliant, and they're going to change all this, and you can spend hours de-bloating it, turning things off. And then the next time Microsoft forces an update on you, everything's reset back to factory status anyway. So you got to reach for that script and do the fucker all over again. Honestly, Windows users, you must be out of your fucking minds. Seriously. Oh, yeah, but Ebeez, I can't use Linux Mint because I can't play Destiny 2 on it. We all know that Destiny 2 doesn't run on Linux Mint. We all know that Fortnite doesn't run on Linux Mint. Fuck off. Fuck right off with pleasure. And any Windows fanboy that tells you that is doing you a disservice. In that you can do anything you want on Linux. The only limitation to Linux is you. So please don't be giving me all this bullshit about you can't do stuff on Linux. You can do any fucking thing you want. And you can do it all without sending Microsoft all your data, all your telemetry, fucking God forbid, all your screenshots. I mean, seriously, what the fuck is the matter with you lot? Are you all really that much of a lemon? You just blindly follow the advice of all these YouTubers. Oh, you need this script, you need that script, blah, blah, blah. What an absolute load of bollocks. Just get off your arse and, as Captain Picard would say, make it so. It's not fucking rocket science, is it, really? So, Destiny 2, Fortnite, can't run on Linux Mint. Okay, well, fuck off. So, first thing you need to do is download Google Chrome. I don't want a fucking password. Piss off. Okay, so we've downloaded Google Chrome onto Linux Mint. I'm not going to sign into Google Chrome because I don't need to. No thanks. Fuck off. Get lost. Sling it. Got it. Thank you. Here's my beautiful Google Chrome. First thing you need to do is head to the web store and install an ad blocker before you do anything. I'm going to install uBlock Origin Lite. That'll do nicely, as the actress said to the bishop. Well, I am if... really? It's because I haven't got the window big enough. Alright, so we install uBlock Origin Lite. Job done. We've now got an ad blocker. Go to our little jigsaw piece and pin it, and then we know that the ad blocker is live. The next thing I'm going to install is GeForce Now. And do a search for that. GeForce Now Web Enabler, and add that to Chrome. Add. Don't want to turn on sync, and again we'll pin it so that we know that it's active. Okay, so let's go to GeForce Now. Agree and continue. Get in, and then it wants us to log in with our NVIDIA account. So log in with your NVIDIA account and you're done. You're literally done. Want to play Fortnite? Play Fortnite. Want to play Destiny 2? Play Destiny 2. Want to play any other AAA game on a banger of a PC where you don't have to have the latest graphics card? There you go. You're in. You're absolutely in. You know, and I mean, it's 2 seconds to do. There's nothing to install, and it runs like a biatch. And it's 100% free. Sure, you've got to wait a short time before you can log into your game, and you're limited to 1 hour of gameplay. But let's be honest, if it's that good and you enjoy it that much, then, you know, just do a simple subscription, dump the Netflix, subscribe to NVIDIA. I'm just saying. And you're done. Everything runs beautiful. I have videos on this channel which show Destiny 2 and Fortnite running on Linux under GeForce Now. You're done. There's not even anything to install or maintain. And yet the amount of YouTubers out there that I see that say, oh, well, you can't run this and you can't do that, you can't, while they're sat there wasting hours of their fucking life running De-Bloat scripts. Who's the shaved tail Louis? Yeah, not the Linux user, is it? Give me your 10 penneth worth. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thumb the videos up if you loved it, down if you hated it. We'll see you for another wicked fucking don't waste your time Broken Ebeez video.